do? I don't know. It bit me. Wait, I think I hear it. What was that thing? I don't know. Wait, I know what to do. I speak their language. Because I went to college.
Well, of course you did, Jerry.
Yeah, but one reason. Why my name's not Jerry.
Hey, fella. Oh, you're kind of cute. Oh.
Oh my God!
I figured it's dead, dude.
I think so too.
Okay.
Won! We won the battle! Woo! Let's go!
So what do you want to do now?
On your shoulders, on your shoulders.
My sorry, look at my shoulders. So?
Mother of God.
Hey guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And you better do that, else I'll murder you.